main switch box. Maybe something wrong.
Yeah, that's right. Later we inform the maintenance staff before it gets worse.
Okay, maybe I will call Miss Ina. Hello, Miss Ina.
Hello?
Hello. I want to inform you. I have something wrong in my hostel. Maybe it's from the main switch box. Maybe you can come to see what's the problem.
Okay, thank you for letting me know. I will be there in a few minutes to check it. Oh, please don't touch anything until I arrive. Okay. Thank you. Sorry, I'm late. Sorry, miss. So, miss, what happened?
Based on what I checked, first the cable is burning. So I need to call the electrical contraction to fix the wire.
Oh, I got it.
So anything happen, I will inform you.
Okay, miss. Bye.
Bye.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, the maintenance staff from your hostel. I have checked the cable and I found that some cable are wet. So I think you need to replace the part of the wiring.
Oh, I see.
So when will you be available to come and fix the box of wiring?
I think I will be tomorrow. But at 12. So,
Oh, wait tomorrow?
so anything happen, I'll call you back.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye. I just received a call from the maintenance residential college. I was informed that there is a damage to the main switch box where some wires have burned. So we need to go there tomorrow at 12 soon.
Oh, I see. Am I wrong? There is a meeting tomorrow, right?
Yes.
In that case, let's postpone our meeting tomorrow and we will meet here again at 11 a.m.
Okay.
Alright, sure.
The next day.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi. No problem, miss. You should be pressed about the issue that you found earlier. Good. Let's follow this way. Come follow me. The student report a burning smell. So when I checked, I noticed some black mark and a matte wire. Do you think it's caused by overload or lost connection?
Alright, let us check first.
From my observation, it seems to be a loose connection issues. The wire wasn't properly secured, which caused heat pull up and minor melting.
I agree. There's also a charge caused by overloading. So we'll expect the circuit to control.
Oh, I see. So what the best solution to prevent this from happening again? We will replace the damaged wire and ensure all connections are properly tightened to avoid future risks.
Additionally, we recommend installing a circuit breaker and balancing the electrical load to prevent overheating and ensure safety.
Alright, that sounds good. So, what parts were replaced inside the switch box? We use a single core wire. The size of about 1.5 meters, which is suitable for switch box connection. It can handle the current safely and prevent overheating. Oh, so what about the length of the wire?
The length needed is about 30 to 40 centimeters. This is enough to replace the damaged part and make a proper connection inside the box.
I see. Okay, by the way, about the payment, I will pay by the check.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, if there's anything happen, it's okay. Okay, thank you. Hi, Miss Dina. Oh, hi. How about the switch box? What can the wires get burnt? It is because too many electrical devices are used at the same time, Miss. Oh, yes. That's one of the main reasons. When too many devices use electrical at once, the current flow increases, causing the wire to overheat. Sometimes, those wire connections also create high resistance, which makes the wire hot and eventually burn. Yes, if we see small spark when plugging in a device, what we should do first? Yeah, what we should do?
First, you can turn off the main switch immediately. Don't touch the plug or socket. Then inform the maintenance department so they can check the problem safely. Never try to fix it your own.
Understand now. Sorry for disturbing you. Bye. See you next time.
Bye.